Hey, Dave here with Saddleback Leather. I want to show you the 3-strap duffel. The 13-inch hard case here. It's the grandfather case.
Guys, 18 days on a road trip around Croatia, Montenegro, and Bosnia. My backpack of choice is the brand new all-in-one backpack. This is the DCB color. I
want to show you the tow belt. But first, let me show you where I am. We are in Kotor, Montenegro. This is a beautiful town. There's the walled city all the way over this wall. This is the old town here right below us. And the wall goes way up the mountains here, way up over the top. And it goes down the other side. It's really magnificent. And this guy, my son, Cross, he's our drone pilot.
Okay.
Foot on the brake. Yeah.
This is the brake. Or this is the brake.
Foot on the brake first. Clutch in.
Put it in.
Put the clutch in. You're neutral right now. You're neutral.
Okay.
This is first. Okay. Now give it a little gas as you take off. Now take your foot off the brake and quickly start giving it gas.
Wait, there's a guy right there. So.
Go ahead. Stay away from the car. Keep going.
And
Stalled
can
it.
you go?
You stalled it.
Can you go?
No, do it again.
I don't want to do it.
Put a clutch in.
I don't want to do it.
I'm going to drive stick shift in Montenegro, learning how to drive stick shift. So,
How old are you?
14.
All right. What better place to learn than in mountainous and hilly Montenegro?
I need to ask you a stupid question.
Go ahead.
No, I mean.
No, go ahead and ask.
Okay. This is the clutch, this is the
Brake.
and this is the.
Yes.
Okay.
So you run the brake and the gas with your right foot just like normal in the automatic.
Got it.
And the left when you're gonna go.
Okay.
Okay, but don't let it out too fast. You'll just stall. Okay, if you just pop it out, your clutch, pop it out. You can give it some gas. Look, make sure. Okay,
Did it
that's
stall?
called stall. That's called popping.
Dad, stop videoing.
All right, so here we are. Hey, no more stalling, sweetie. We're going.
I got it.
Okay.
I started the car.
She started the car.
I actually got it moving.
Here we are driving in Montenegro. Take foot off the gas.
Am I in first?
Yes, you're in first. Let's work on stopping now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's switch spots. The cops are right down at the bottom of the hill, remember?
Okay.
So what do you think? How was your first driving?
It was pretty good.
Yeah? So Sela, this is gonna be your new car, the little
Yes.
Fiat Polski?
Yes. This will be my car one day. Little mini.
Got tons of legroom in there.
Mm-hmm.
So, this is interesting. This wall that goes all the way up the hill, a jagged rocky mountain, all the way across the top, all the way down over there, is what this town's known for. And yet there are no pictures of it. Kind of interesting. So Mom's not a big fan of cats. I like them. Rob, you like them too.
I like
is it licking you?
No. Very cute.
Poor little stray kitty.
Okay, you can win. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh. Meow.